Hello, Karen Monteverdi here, the go-to coach. As a transformational life coach, I often come across tools to help my listeners and clients live a life that is enriching and empowering. We illuminate the dark corners of your bright ideas. Have you ever had an aha moment? A moment where the light goes on? What would it be like if you could have that every week? Working with the go-to coach, you get your aha moment. This week, our workshop is entitled Experiential Evidence, Body Intelligence. You can find it at gotocoach.net. Click on the Events section, Transformation. Experiential Evidence, Body Intelligence. Our primary objective is to create a thought-provoking pondering. Is it true there was hidden within my own body information to help me overcome, excel, or be empowered with everything I do? Is it possible to live in this life free to seize the possibilities and opportunities based on what is now? Our secondary objective, of course, is to build relationships with potential clients and live consciously in the moment. Living consciously allows us to observe and take action and be empowered. I would like to thank my mentors, my husband, and our technical advisor, Sean Monteverdi, and you for joining us today. Living Consciously in an Ego-Driven Society is the book that I have written. It will be published later this year. Evolution is a process of continuing to change from a lower, simpler to a higher, more complex or better state of growth. Consciousness is the quality or state of being aware, especially of something within oneself, self-awareness. That source was from Merriam-Webster Dictionary. There is a place where you live, a pace of life that you have chosen, an intelligence you have acquired. What brought you here? In their work with epileptics in the 1950s, neuroscientists like Paul MacLean revealed a lot about brain function and the relationship between the cortex, the left and right hemispheres, and what MacLean and others called the R complex. Our limbic, mammalian, and reptile brain. The triune brain model is actually a 3-layered brain model. This allows us to see which parts of the brain actually function for which portions of our life. Specifically, we will be talking about the limbic system. The limbic system, often referred to as the emotional brain. In the mind-body connection, we focus more time on this portion of the brain because of the direct correlation to emotions and beliefs. The limbic system contains the thalamus, the hypothalamus, the amygdala, and the hippocampus. Specifically in this workshop, we're going to discuss the process of experience. We have a thought, an event, an evaluation. We have emotions, behavior, and we again evaluate consequences and another evaluation. We have a belief, and then we have evidentiary experience, a thought, and then again another event. We again evaluate emotions, behavior. We evaluate the consequences and evaluate our belief and our evidentiary experience. This process happens automatically in our subconscious mind. And through the evaluation, we begin to have beliefs and thoughts, emotions, behaviors, feelings, and these are the experience. In the limbic system, we do have, as I said, the hypothalamus. And the hypothalamus secretes hormones that stimulate or suppress the release of hormones in the pituitary gland, in addition to controlling water balance, sleep, temperature, appetite, and blood pressure. The hypothalamus is like a little mini factory. It is a place that assembles certain chemicals that match certain emotions that we experience. Those chemicals are called peptides, a small chain of amino acid sequences. This information is given to us by Dr. Joe Dispenza. Amino acids create the body's physical structure. Emotions have a direct effect on the production of the 20 available amino acids that are the building blocks of our body. If we are flooding the body with negative emotions, we are building our bodies with those peptides that correlate with the associative proteins. Dr. Dispenza reports that there are chemicals for each emotion we experience. We can learn to use emotions as a barometer and rise above the information. Yes, emotions can be seen as information. Emotions can be a great barometer for the mind to become consciously aware of a belief. Beliefs are formed and stored in the brain and body through the protein built by the amino acid produced by the limbic system. Through these beliefs, each new event is evaluated, categorically stored, and retrieved throughout our life process. These biological chemical units determine our physiological well-being, as well as our quality of life. As our beliefs change, so does our experience of life. Now, when we talk about the spirit, we talk about a natural state. There is a natural energy flow that runs throughout all living things. Its free flow creates spontaneous thinking and feeling in life. Success, joy, and satisfaction results when we align ourselves with the free-flowing nature of the energy flow. During this workshop, my husband Sean will be giving a perspective on giving the body credit for the amazing feats of physics it masters every day. We take this for granted, but there is a truth that will make you stop and feel gratitude of what your body does for you every moment. In Steve Siskel's book, What is Your Body Telling You?, we learn to become aware of the body's response to situations. We can detect valuable information about our emotions from paying attention to these signals. We can detect areas of dis-ease and relieve the pressure by reframing our perspective. In this workshop, you will be able to go through a guided meditation, get centered through breathing and a visualization, presented by me, Karen Monteverdi, your go-to coach. We'll help focus on feeling the sensation, where you imagine having your heart's desire, amplify and express. Imagine having your heart's desire, amplify and express. Imagine having your heart's desire, amplify and express. This process allows you to recognize associated memories and emotions come with the belief of achieving your heart's desire and what is stopping you. Sean will take the lead at this point in characterizing the environmental elements of your memory. Then we will move you into a time where you felt success. We will amplify that. And remember a time when you received the answer and amplify that. You will remember a time when you received the thing, feeling, or experience that you really wanted and amplify that. Then we will spend the rest of the workshop on your feedback and use it as a coaching opportunity to help you through your mind-body experience, creating a mindset, achieving your heart's desire.